बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? होप आप सब लोग ठीक ठाक होंगे, खैर ऑफिस से होंगे। आप लोग देख रहे हैं स्टेट टाइम यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस लेक्चर में आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगी चैप्टर नंबर 9 केमिस्ट्री के शॉर्ट आंसर्स। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने लेक्चर को। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, द कंसंट्रेशन यूनिट ऑफ मोलैरिटी इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ टेम्परेचर बट मोलैरिटी डिपेंड अपॉन टेम्परेचर। Explain why. The molarity is the number of mole of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. 5 molarity is the number of mole of solute dissolved in 1 dm cube of solution. Therefore, molality is independent of temperature because mass of solvent is not affected by variation in temperature, but on the other hand, molarity is dependent on temperature because volume of solvent change with temperature. Sum of mole fraction of all the component is always equal to unity. Explain. Relative lowering of vapor pressure is independent of temperature. Why? According to Rolle's law, the relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to mole fraction of solute. Mole fraction of is temperature independent unit of concentration. So relative lowering of vapor pressure is temperature independent and depend upon the concentration of solute only. Question number 4 है, colligative property are obeyed when the solute is non-electrolyte and when the solution is dilute. To study the colligative properties, it is essential that following conditions should be fulfilled by the solution. Solution should be dilute, solution should be non-electrolyte. Question number 5, the total volume of 100 centimeter cube water and 100 centimeter cube ethyl alcohol may not be equal to 200 centimeter cube. Question number 6, 1 molar solution of urea in water is dilute as compared to 1 molar solution of urea, but the number of particles of the solute is same. Justify it. Question number 7, non-ideal solutions do not obey Rolle's law. Question number 8, boiling point of solvent increase due to the presence of solute. Question number 9, freezing point is depressed due to the presence of solute. Question number 10, the boiling point of 1 molar urea solution is 100.52, but the boiling point of 2 molar urea solution is less than 1.04. Question number 11, Baxman thermometer is used to determine the depression in freezing point. Question number 12, in summer the antifreeze solution protect the liquid of radiator from boiling over. Question number 13, NaCl and KNO3 are used to lower the melting point of ice. Question number 14, what is Rolle's law? Give its 3 statements. Question number 15, justify that heat of solution is an exothermic or endothermic property. Question number 16, calculate the mass of urea in 100 gram of water in 0.3 molar solution. तो ये स्टूडेंट्स ये थे शॉर्ट आंसर जो आपके टेक्स्ट बुक एक्सरसाइज में थे। होप सो आप लोगों ने इन्हें नोट डाउन कर लिया होगा। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा। मिलती हूँ अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।